Taking it apart to get the carb off. Didn't want to start with the new carburetor on it. Put the old one on. Won't go or nothing. Just got this piece of crap $15 Amazon carb off the bike. Looks pretty crusty. Gonna dig into it. Bowl looks spotless. Gonna take a look at the jets next. The jets are extremely gummed up. I'm gonna spray them out with my carb cleaner. I'm gonna put it back together and see if the bike will start. Everything's looking pretty freaking spotless now. I got all the grease and stuff off the outside and stuff now. Jets are cleaned up. Bowl spotless. I'm gonna throw the carb back together. It's all balls. Rebuild kit for it. I'm gonna throw it together real quick. Alright, got the carb back on. Threw the gas tank on temporarily, not bolted down or nothing. Just so it can get some gas. Alright, I'm gonna see if it wants to go yet. Choke on. Gas on. No choke. So it doesn't seem to want to go. I'm gonna change the spark plug and see if it gets spark or what's going on. Spark plug looks about brand new. Wonder if it's getting spark or not. Yup, definitely getting spark. I come over here to check the petcock, see if gas is coming out. Turns out nothing's coming out. There's obviously gas in here. An extra petcock for this, so I'm gonna switch them out and see if it changes anything. Just switched out the petcock, got the gas tank back mounted up. Gas is coming out now. I'm gonna attach the gas lines back together, see if we have any go. Alright, let's see. Choke on. Alright. Still nothing. I'm gonna turn the choke off. I ended up cleaning the air filter, because that could be part of the problem. It was really dirty. I also took apart the carburetor, made sure everything was moving right. Still can't figure out what the problem is. It turned up the idle, still wouldn't start. Choke on, choke off, half choke. Nothing was working. I'm still getting spark. And I think I'm gonna check if I'm getting gas next. Definitely getting gas. That's a lot. So what I'm gonna do is I'm replacing the stator gasket, because why not, right? I don't have anything else to do. I'm waiting for air filter to dry because I cleaned it. Just gonna throw this on because I have it. And the other one was torn up pretty bad, so let's see. Come on. Dude, these things can be annoying. Throw this back on real quick. And then put on the new air filter. Got the fresh gasket on and tightened up. Alright, I'm gonna lube up the air filter now. Let's see. Kind of gotta massage it in. And make sure I get the inside of here too. You know, over time, these two-strokes, these old ones, they cost a lot of money to get up and running good. I'm almost $900 deep in this one, and it's still having problems. Gotta do a bottom end soon too, and a water pump. Other than that, it should be good. Top end only got probably like 15 hours on it, not even. So. More on the outside over here. Shit. Gonna have to clean that up later. Looks about good. Dang. Good thing I wore those gloves. So air filter's almost in. I just gotta tighten the bolt down. So I hate these wing nuts, bro. Alright. Next thing I'm probably gonna do is pack the exhaust, because I don't know. I'm just waiting for fork seals. But, well, it's getting late. Too late to start up the bike, so I don't know if it runs yet, but this is gonna be the end of this video, so keep y'all updated.